Io che atiriamo quel cielo tu fio, Dio lo sa che io lo guagno, e mi fai Dio lo sa che non fosse vivo, oh we never second.
Okay, so our topic for today is about solving exponential equation and their solution. Okay, is anyone here familiar with exponential equation? Chloe?
Ano po ma'am, yung exponential equations po, ito po yung equations na may variables na nag-occur as exponents.
Our objectives for today is to solve exponential equation by changing bases and of course by using the laws of exponents. Exponent. When we say exponent, it indicates the amount of times a number, which is the base, is multiplied to itself. While when we say exponential equation, these are the equations that variables are used as an exponent.
Now let's identify if this equation are exponential or not. Now Barabona is 5 raised to x is equal to 15 an equation or not?
Tanong po dyan is equation po kasi po may variable po siya.
Okay. How about you, Monard? Is 5 raised to 6 is equal to 15 x is an equation or not?
Not, because there's no variable equation.
Okay. Okay,
Exponent.
correct. How about Zoe? Is 4 raised to x is equal to g of x an equation or not?
Equation po ba?
Okay. Hindi siya equation because it is a function. Okay. Last one. Is 3 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0 an equation or not? Gideon?
Ano po ma'am? Equation po.
Okay. Okay. Do you guys have any question or clarification?
None na po.
None po.
Sure?
Opo.
Yes po.
Okay, before we continue the discussion, I've prepared a simple game wherein you'll just identify if the given equations are equation or not. So who wants to volunteer? Volunteer. Okay, Gideon. Pick a shape.
Ano po? Is pentagon.
Pentagon. Is it an equation or not?
Not equation po.
Okay. Let's go back to the shape. Next one. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, Aryan. Pick a shape.
Rhombus po.
Okay. So, is it an equation or not?
Equation po.
Equation. But why do you think that the answer is equation?
Because the exponent of the equation is variable po.
Okay. Since Barabona's camera is off, are you still there?
Ay, opo ma'am. Sorry na. Ano lang.
Okay, now pick a shape. Open your
Circle nga
camera.
po.
Open your camera, please.
Wait lang po. Nag-open pala.
Okay, just answer this one. Is it an equation or not?
Equation po siya ma'am.
Okay, last one. Zoe, pick a shape.
Heart po.
Okay, is that an equation or not?
Not an equation po.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
So next, we have steps in solving exponential equation. Number 1, we should have a same base. Number 2, we should cancel the base and then bring down the exponent. And lastly, we need to solve for the variable. So let's go to the example number 1. We have 8 raised to 4x plus 8 is equal to 8 raised to x plus 2. Okay, so we have same bases, so we need to cancel that and then we need to bring down 4x plus 8 equals to x plus 2. And then we need to solve for the variables. Okay, 4x minus x is equal to 3x and then 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 6. So we need to divide both sides by 3. So we'll have 3x divided by 3 is equal to x. And negative 6 divided by 3 is equal to negative 2. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to negative 2. Example number 2. 5 raised to x is equal to 125. So as you can see, we don't have a same base. So what you need to do is, of course, to think of a number that once you multiply it to itself, it will be 125. So we will have 5 times 5 is equal to 25 times 5 is equal to 125, and that will be 5 cubed. So right now we will have 5 raised to x is equal to 5 cubed, and then we need to cancel the same bases, which is the 5, and we will have x is equal to 3, and of course that will be the final answer.
Okay, Barabona, kindly answer this equation.
네 눈앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 Say yes, say yes 나도 모르게 너에게 가고 있나 봐 부는 바람에 내 맘 전할래 Love is
간지럽게만 느껴지던 눈빛이 이제는 익숙하단 듯이 웃음 짓지 그쪽으로 걸어가기만 하면 돼라고 친구들은 계속해서 날 부추기지만 아직은 무거운 구두에 뒷굽 차라리 벗어버리고 싶은 이 밤의 끝 손을 내밀어줬으면 해 맨발로 너에게 뛰어갈 수 있게
Okay, next, Arian.
난 해 지금에서야 깨달은 건데 결국 다 버려지고 너만 남아 yeah. 지난 봄에는 널 우연히 봤고 더 이상은 우연이 아니었으면 해 스치기만 했던 너의 손을 잡고 어떤 길이라도 같이 걸었으면 해
네 눈앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 Say yes, say yes 나도 모르게 너에게 가고 있나 봐 부는 바람에 내 맘 전할래 Love is true I need you Baby 너에게 하고픈 말
Tomorrow, we'll be having a quiz. Okay, goodbye everyone.
Rio que atiriano quando cielo tu fio Dio lo sa che io logo mio e we say